Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are gonna share with you most delicious recipe of honey butter chicken recipe Korean style. So guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. So guys, for this recipe, we are gonna need first of all oil. Then we are gonna need soya sauce. In total, I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons. Then we are gonna need honey. I'm gonna use 2 teaspoons, guys. Approximately 50 grams of butter. Then we are gonna need approximately 250 grams of chicken fillet. Then guys, we are gonna use also sugar. In total, you are gonna use 2 tablespoons, guys. Then all-purpose flour. This is in total 2 tablespoons, guys. Also, we are gonna use cornstarch, 2 tablespoons, 2 pieces of eggs, then salt, black pepper, and here 1 teaspoon of baking soda, guys. So let's do it. Guys, what we are gonna need now is a bowl like this, and then I'm gonna show you how I have cut the chicken fillet. I've cut in lengthwise. It doesn't have to be fat, but it doesn't have to be thin neither. So just make sure that it's this much size, almost 2 finger size. All right, then I'm gonna take all of it and put it in a bowl. Then guys, I'm gonna add flour, 2 tablespoons. On top of it, I'm adding cornstarch, 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna mix up salt, black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Just mix it up. Add that too. Now guys, at this stage, add 2 eggs. We're gonna mix it with our hands, guys. After mixing it all up well, this is how it's gonna look like. Then we are gonna let it rest for 5 minutes, so all the things that we've added will be soaked into the chicken fillet, guys. Here is the oil. This is the corn oil that I'm using. You can use any type of oil actually. So 1. I'm gonna use 2 glasses of corn oil because we need the oil. It's not like we are gonna eat all of this oil. It's just when we are frying, we want our chicken to be, fried in all parts, not like only the under, you know what I mean? So right now we are gonna open the fire on the highest level, guys. And we are gonna wait until the oil gets really hot. Then we are gonna place our chicken in there. Meanwhile guys, you can prepare a bowl deep like this, and on top I'm gonna use the metal strainer for the chicken, so the oil that we've been frying will go under and we will have just the chicken here. All right guys, so now we are gonna start frying. Guys, also when you see they're all connected, just break them, all of them, like this. Break all the connections that they have. Here you see how all the part is ready here, and at this stage we are gonna take it all out and then wait approximately for 1 or 2 minutes, and then we are gonna fry this again. So let's start taking out. Guys, the first time we are frying is we want our chicken to be cooked. The second time we are cooking, we want the chicken skin to be soft and perfect and crispy. So that's the reason we are just waiting. The same oil here, I'm not adding any oil. The same oil, it's gonna be waited here for 2 more minutes on fire, and then we are gonna place our chicken again. Right now the oil is really hot, so I have to be careful when placing it. And you just mix it up. You see the color here, guys? This is what we want basically. We want the color to be reddish browny almost. This brown red color in here, it means your chicken is ready. As you see, I have separated the chicken. Half of it I have here, half of it in here. And so I'm gonna take them out into the strainer so the oil will be strained there. The second part. Until it's red and brown color. You see, it became red brownish. At this stage we are gonna take them out. Good. It's time for the last part. Make the fire a little bit lower. Then I'm gonna add the butter. So guys, while butter is melting, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 and then 2. Then guys, I'm gonna add the sugar. Make sure that the sugar is not left on the ground alone. Also now I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of honey, guys. Sugar is for sweetness, but honey I'm using just to give the honey taste, guys. If you add instead of sugar, usually I use honey, but if I would use just honey, then it would be really mushy and I wouldn't want that, guys. You wouldn't be able to mix chicken with it. So after adding the honey, guys, we are gonna add our chicken that we fried ahead. You see this mix, guys? At this stage, it means that we are gonna add our chicken. Just mix it up with all the mix. We don't want to cook here. We just want the chicken to be coated with this sweet and savory mix, guys. The point here on the last stage is just to have all this mixed with the chicken, and so it will be all coated with the mix. You know what I mean, guys? Guys, it smells so good. Guys, bon appetit. Try this recipe out and let me know your comments about this Korean honey butter chicken recipe, guys. Thank you for watching our videos, guys. Don't forget to click the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Wishing you all to have a nice evening, guys. Bye bye.